In this question, you're given fx is e power x plus e power minus x by e power x minus e power minus x plus 2. You're asked to find f inverse of x. Again, the concept of finding inverse function is quite easy. So if y is equal to f of x, this implies x will be equal to f inverse of y. That is, you start with y is equal to f of x and find what x is in terms of y. That will be the inverse function. So y is equal to e power x plus e power minus x by e power x minus e power minus x plus 2. So from this, let us try to find our x is equal to what? So what we do is y minus 2 is equal to, so if I put e power minus x as 1 by e power x, so e power x plus 1 by e power x divided by e power x minus 1 by e power x, that is equal to e power 2x plus 1 by e power 2x minus 1. The denominators are going to cancel out after you take LCM. So this implies y minus 2 is equal to e power 2x plus 1 by e power 2x minus 1. Now I want x, right? So let us use component and dividend term. That is y by 2 by 1. So y minus 2 plus 1 by y minus 2 minus 1 is equal to, the sum of these two is 2 e power 2x divided by numerator minus denominator. When you subtract this from this, e power 2x gets cancelled. So 1 minus of minus 1 is 2. So these two are getting cancelled. So this implies y minus 1 by y minus 3 is equal to e power 2x. This implies 2x is equal to log of y minus 1 by y minus 3 to the base e. And finally, this implies x is equal to half of log of y minus 1 by y minus 3 to the base e. So we got what we wanted, x in terms of y. This is nothing but f inverse of y. So once you get f inverse of y, what is f inverse of x? In the place of y, you just need to put x. That is half of log of x minus 1 by x minus 3 to the base e. So this is the expression, the function f inverse of x.